15 food which a real Mumbakar definitely eats. How can a Mumbakar even think of food and not think of vada pav? However, the best vada pav you could ever ask for is, hands down, that of Anand's. The golden crisp on the outside, smooth and hot on the inside potato chickpea flour patties between bun is a thumbs up any given time. Sitting behind the Taj Mahal Hotel, this open kitchen on wheels is the lifesaver when it comes for you the situation of dying with late night hunger or well just of craving for some meaty goodness. Some things never change and for good. Along with its old mirrored and antique furniture decor, this Irani joint at Grand Road Station still serves this soft onion and chilies omelette with 3 slices of bread, making it the best example for this expression. Never disappointing since the 1940s, Bachelors is a must-hangout destination for every Mumbakar for quenching thy thirst with its strawberry and cream, liquid marble and many other such simply fantastic milkshakes and juices. Located opposite Mafit Lal Center, Nariman Point, ZBK serves a mountain of macaroni covered in cheesy creamy sauce with bits of baby corn, broccoli and American corn. A real steal indeed. A crazy mix of flavors, all that man has ever discovered, this is sure to blow your mind off. Located at Lal Bagh, this joint serves you a lip-smacking vada topped with hot missile complete with onions, save and lime wedge. But wait, there's a curious bowl of sweet and chilled yogurt to accompany it. There is every reason to forget your dieting and indulge in this deep-fried and pure ghee delicacy. A crunchy potato patty topped with ragda with lovely sweet and sour tamarind chutney, chopped onions, save and pomegranate seeds is gripping till its last bite. Oddly called Russian cutlets at a Mughlai joint in Vesovar, these may be the creamiest chicken cutlets you could have ever eaten. The thin savory covering of the patty melts in your mouth, revealing the titillating taste of the chicken. Mumbai, and no mention of the super yummy and crunchy and savory bhel puri from Chowpatty? Not possible. Dig into that scrumptious bhel in from Shyamji's, stall number 22, or Badshah's, stall number 11, and you will not regret once. An amusing combo of sweet dalimbi made of hyacinth bean sprouts and fresh and hot fried thalipeeth served with refreshing coconut chutney and chilled yogurt at this Girgaon joint is something no one can ever forget once he gets to taste it. A lovely combination of our favorite desserts, ice cream and cheesecake in the price of one, it a perfect end to our spicy tangy meals. Just order a cone instead of cup and you will have 3 different textures to completely satisfy your palate. Even if you hate greens, you will become a fan of this hatke recipe once you try it. A spicy onion and spinach masala smeared on butter-soaked PAVS served hidden under a big heap of grated cheese is surely going to flood your mouth. Who doesn't love the crunchy savory puffed puris filled with tangy mouth-watering tamarind chutney and pudina pani? And when those pani puris are from Elco's, you have all the more reasons for just that. Although it's really hard to pick one from their over 300 sumptuous items on the menu, this buttered bread and shredded chicken sandwich that has a generous helping of sweet mayo is a favorite of all. Naram is the best word to describe this melt-in-the-mouth dosa. This spongy yet crisp dosa is smeared with special red powder that makes it taste like heaven. Best eaten with the famous galak chutney, you will love its every morsel. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.